Now that you have completed each of the elements under the Start Here module, I would like to bring your attention to our class resources. Right now, at the beginning of the year, this will be located immediately under the Start Here module. However, as the year progresses, we will find the resources module at the very end of our class modules. This is because as the semester goes, I will be posting more how-tos that correspond directly with the assignments that you're working on, and I don't want it to clog up your feed. Just like the other modules, the resource module has success criteria that goes over the information that you can find in the module. Make sure to read, watch, or answer all of the questions in this module because it will ensure that you know how to operate Google Drive and Google Classroom to complete and turn in your assignments.